Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to BurnCMT. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a black controller keyboard keypad for the Xbox 360. And I got this off of eBay for about a good $11, and I found out it was a reasonable price for this. And what I've done so far is I just used my Swiss Army knife to rip this. I haven't gone any farther, and yeah. So there's nothing else inside the packaging, and now we're going to be opening up the box, which the black controller keyboard keypad for the Xbox 360 is held. So we're going to open this up, and there's nothing else inside the box, so we don't need that. And here you have the keypad. So here you have it. Seems to be very comfortable. The buttons go down very good. The buttons are actually pretty big. Let's say if you have big fingers, they're pretty big for you to type. You got all the numbers 1 to 9, and including 0. You got caps. You got every single letter in the alphabet. You got everything that you have on a keyboard except for 3 buttons, which I've never seen before. You got this green square, these 2 people, and then you got this red circle with a white circle on inside. I've never seen that, so if anybody knows what that is, please comment down below. And basically, this is what it is. As you can see here, this is what you put it into your controller, and this has a shape of your controller, so it's very nice. So you can be grabbing onto your controller about here, and you're going to be typing it. And then down here is for you to plug in your headset, mic, whatever you guys call it. And basically that is all, guys. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you'd like to see more unboxings, comment down below, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys again next time. Bye, guys.